Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to this amazing channel. Thank you for logging in and thank you for sparing your time to listen to this amazing lesson. Today I will be taking you guys on some of the common errors or the example errors that occurs in Excel application when you're dealing with Excel. Um, you have so many example of errors that occurs in Excel. So I have selected some of them and we are going to talk about them. You're seeing on the screen of the computer, use what application to list some of the example errors or common errors in Excel when you're dealing with Excel application. You're seeing I've written some of the common errors in Excel and their meaning and how they occur. The first one is at seeing that sign with a division divide by a zero and an apostrophe. This error occurs when a formula attempt to divide by zero. For example, a1 divided by b1 will produce these errors if b1 is zero. Like take for instance, if I am to open an Excel application, take for instance, if in cell here you're having this kind of figures, then in cell B you're having that kind of figure. So if you want to maybe divide them, equal sign, uh, open bracket, you put a1 divide by maybe b2, b1 I mean, then we close our bracket. We try to enter the information. If you try to enter the information, I forgot to put one thing here. I forgot to put one thing here. Equal sign. Then if you enter the information, enter, you're seeing this. This is the type of errors we are seeing on the screen. Division and what slash, then a zero, then an apostrophe. Yeah? That is the kind of errors that occurs. So these exact errors you are seeing, the first one, division, it means you are dividing some figures by zeros, and the end result is going to be in this format. That's why on the Excel application you are seeing this kind of occurrence. So that is basically about the first one. Then the second one is at uh, end uh, slash a. This error means not available and typically appears when a formula or a function cannot find a reference value. For example, lookup will return these errors if it cannot find a lookup value. And the third one is, so I'll be talking about them, but in our next video I will be demonstrating for you guys on how these errors occur. So the third one is that you're seeing that sign, then value and an apostrophe. This errors appears when there is a problem with the type of values used in the formula. For instance, adding a number to text in a formula will trigger these errors. Take for instance, if I open my Excel, then maybe take for instance here we are having maybe 13, then here maybe we are having E, right? Then in this cell, if we are to get like maybe equal sign, if we are to add, then you put a bracket, if we are to add a1, let me first put like this. So I'm saying you put exam for me, open bracket, then I put maybe a1 to what, to a maybe perhaps b2, b1 I mean, then close our bracket. So if you try to press the equal sign or to enter this information, this is not right. This is not right. Sorry for this inconvenience. I mistook the information. So you're having equal sign, sum open bracket a2 to maybe what a2 to what to b2, I mean b2 close, try to enter the information. This is not right. So that is basically about that. Then we're having at reference ref and apostrophe. This errors occurs when a formula refers to a cell that is not valid, often because it has been deleted or the cell reference is incorrect. Then the fourth one is name and a question mark. This errors indicates that Excel doesn't recognize a formula name or function. It might occur if you have misspelled a function name or used an undefined name. So that is basically about that. So we have uh, nom, and an apostrophe. These errors arises when a formula or a function contains invalid numeric values. For example, it might occur with an invalid argument in function like sort. That is that. Then we have nulled. Nulled. Nulled is this is an error that that is typically caused by using incorrect cell references or ranges. For instance, using space into bracket, which signifies an intersection of ranges where none exists, can cause these errors. Then we're having errors itself. This is less common. Errors usually appears in more complex scenarios like array formulas or custom functions and indicates a problem with the formula syntax or logic. Then we have spill. This error is specific to dynamic arrays and appears when a formula that returns multiple values like sequence into bracket 10 cannot display whole results due to other data obstructing the spill areas. Then we have circular reference. This is an error code second, but rather a situation where a formula refers back to its home cell either directly or indirectly, causing an endless loop of calculation. In this situation, whereby perhaps you have given maybe only one command to a computer, but you see that computer is performing like maybe multiple calculation. So basically, those are the errors that occurs in Excel when you are dealing with Excel application. So in my next video, I'll be demonstrating for you guys how these errors come about and how to deal with them accordingly. Thanks for sparing your time and thanks for watching this. Give a likes and then subscribe to my YouTube channel for more, because in the next video I'll be demonstrating how these errors occurs, and share the video with your friend. Thank you for sparing your time and I wish you well.